go. Let's go. There's no dust today. Yay. All wet. All wet, Shyla. Come on, Moki. Come on, guys. Hi, Rainy. Hi, Rainy. What you got, Rainy? New smells. New smells. Hi, Missy. We have snow up in the mountains. That's the Surbots with some snow on them. We got an inch of rain last night, which is about 1/8 of our yearly allotment. So that was nice. And no dust for a few days until it dries out again. This is Tara's kind of weather, huh, Tara? Missy has a bone. She says, don't bug me and stay away. Is it good, Missy? Missy says, I'm trying to hide. Missy has a bone, huh? Missy has a bone. Missy's a good girl. Hi, Bear. Bear, where's the bunny? Where's the bunnies? Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, Moki. Hey, Moki. Hey, Moki.